we're here, presenting the trunk tray for the Mini 3-door. The process is identical for both the Mini 3-door and the Mini 5-door, as it's essentially the same trunk tray, simply extended in length. Therefore, we will adhere to precisely the same installation procedure. The initial step we'll undertake will be to open the trunk. For the moment, we'll set the tray on the floor and fold down the rear seats. 1, then 2. Excellent. Now we carefully insert the tray in a vertical position. Then, we rotate it horizontally, positioning it so it rests on top. We pull it forward, and at the same time, we'll let it rest and hold it in place for a moment. And at this point, we're going to raise the seats back up again, getting them into their original upright position. And we seat the tray properly within the trunk. That's all, it's now installed. Naturally, just like all our other trays, this one features an integrated handle, so you merely need to pull the handle upwards to gain access to the interior compartment, and then simply return it to its lowered position. That's everything. This procedure is for the Mini 3-door, which is also identical for the 5-door. The installation procedure remains precisely the same. You can readily purchase it at carbootplatform.com. Should you have any doubts or inquiries, feel free to reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. Thank you.